Today we are going to make hot chili. So follow me through the steps as I made hot chili for my house. So I'm using white onion, ginger, and then I'm using red pepper. Then I'm using the red chilies. Then I'm going to use also garlic. So I'm making a big portion of chili for my house. My husband loves to eat everything with chili. He just likes spicy chili. So we are going to make spicy chili step by step. So I've already put water and I've already washed my veggies for you all and I've already cleaned them up. So I'm going to put them in cold water and I'm going to let this come to a boil. So you will see it will come up. It means it's not ready yet. Let it boil until you see your pepper is coming down. So one of those you can see it's not off. So I'll continue mixing everything well inside my pot until you see like now it's done. You can see it's ready to be transferred out. The pepper has sink into the water and this looks like it's ready to be cooked. So I cook it like for 10 to 15 minutes so that I can have the good texture I want to make the chili with. So I will let that to continue boiling and then we are going to remove this to transfer. Guys, please do me a favor and please hit the subscribe button and like, and also let me know from which country you are watching from. This will help me understand how far my video is going. So I'm just gonna remove all the water out from there, and then I see it's having a lot of water, and then I'm gonna drain that out. Then I'm gonna remove everything out. As you can see, everything is really well boiled. I'm draining out all the water as much as I can, and then we are going to the next step, which is blending everything up. So first I need to cut my onion to help my blender, of course, and then I'm going to clean my peppers to remove the seeds inside. So this is my blending machine. You can use any blending machine you have at home, but this Ninja blending machine is just does wonder. It works perfectly well for me in my kitchen. So I'm just gonna cut my onion in half to help my blender to process everything very well, and then I'm just gonna remove the seeds that is in the middle of my red pepper because I do not want to blend my chilies with that, so it's not gonna work at all. So now I'm gonna transfer everything inside the blender as it is very hot the way it is, so that it can blend everything well. So I'll just transfer everything, the ginger, the garlic, the peppers, and the white onion. So I don't want to use any other herbs like parsley or coriander. I just want to use the red chilies for this kind of recipe, and then I'm using dry herbs, which is the dry Italian herbs that I mixed together. So I'm going to use that for 1 spoon in my mixing. So I'm putting in 1 spoon of that, and then I'm going in with the black pepper, 1 spoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to go in with salt, and I'm going to go in with the salt, 1 spoon of salt. Then I'm going to go in with white pepper, then 1 spoon of white pepper. Then I am going to go in the most important ingredient, which is a crayfish, or you can use any dry fish, but I prefer the crayfish one. It just gives your chili, takes it to another level. It's yummy, it's juicy, it just gives a different taste that you won't find anywhere at all. So I'm just gonna blend this, and oops, I forgot to add the oil. So you need to add 1 cup of cooking oil. Do not use olive because olive oil has a texture of when you put it in the fridge, it becomes like together. So use ordinary oil so that it just smooth and it doesn't go to the freezing moods at all. And then I'm just gonna blend this very well for like 5 minutes. Just blend it nice, smooth, so that everything can come together. So I just blend that on high speed. And my husband just loves this chili, guys. He just falls in love with this chili. Every time he has this chili, he just fall in love with it. He just loved it. He has it like with everything he eats. He has to have this as a side sauce. So this is so delicious and it is so yummy. He just loved this homemade chili. So guys, you can try out this recipe. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and loved ones. And remember, when you have some guests coming over that love chili, trust me, this is the way to go. Your guests will even ask you questions like, how did you make this? And you're gonna impress them with this beautiful chili. Just look how beautiful it came out. It came out almost like a mayo paste. It's very easy and it is so spicy. It goes with anything. You can season your fish with it. You can season your meat with it. Anything goes with this chili. Trust me on this. Anything you want, this chili is the way to go. So I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl. I just want to use this bowl so that you guys can all see well. But after this, I'll put it, when it has cooled down, I'll put it into a container and store it in my fridge so it doesn't really get bad very fast. So that is my chili sauce, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know from where you are watching from. And thank you so much for coming through this journey with me through the video. So now my chili has cooled down. I transfer it in a container to put in the fridge. Love you guys. Take care. See you in the next video. Below I did a video about how to cook a hard-boiled chicken, and that hard-boiled chicken is so yummy with this spicy chili sauce. It goes very well together. It is juicy, it is yummy. So now that is my chili sauce. I think it will be enough for 2 weeks, hopefully, if it doesn't finish. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao ciao. See you in the next video.